Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher from class 8th. Today I am here to describe poem number 1 from your English literature book, that is When You Are Old. So, this beautiful poem has been composed by William Butler Yeats. My dear students, just before the explanation of this poem, I would like to let you know that what actually this poem is about. This is a love poem, and William Butler Yeats has cleared the difference between spiritual love and physical love. And William Butler Yeats has composed this poem in the memory of his beloved. Fine. So now let us talk about this poem, this beautiful poem. So the name is When You Are Old. So the word U stands for his beloved. The name of beloved is Maud Maud Gonne, Gonne, Maud Gonne. The name of his beloved. So he says, वो कहता है, when you are old and grey and full of sleep. What does this line mean? Poet says कि जब तुम बूढ़ी हो जाओगी, and grey in the sense when your hair turns into white, जब तुम्हारे बाल सफ़ेद हो जाएंगे, and you will be in such a state when you feel sleepy. That means the state of feel sleepy. So poet कहता है कि जब तुम बूढ़ी हो जाओगी and your hair turns into white and full of sleep, you most of time feel sleepy. And nodding by the fire. Take down this book. Poet says in this line, when you simply will be sitting in front of fireplace, just feel sleepy while sitting in front of fireplace. You will certainly feel sleepy. So that very time, you take this book. You just take this book and slowly read. फिर तुम इस बुक को, मेरी इस बुक को, you just read it, go through this and try to understand this from the bottom of your heart. Just try to feel it. मेरी इस बुक को पढ़ने की कोशिश करना, समझने की कोशिश करना. When you simply will be sitting in front of fireplace, just to escape yourself from cold. And dream of the soft look, and just try to lose yourself. Just try to lose yourself in your past memories when you were young. जब तुम young थी, उस समय के वक्त के बारे में सोचना. Think of that particular time when you were young. Just lost yourself in that very time. Feel about that time when you were young. Let's continue. Your eyes had once. Poet says that, यहाँ पर poet के कहने का मतलब है, जब तुम्हारे पास खूबसूरत आंखें थी, when you had beautiful eyes, and of their shadows deep. The eyes were dark. Shadows in the sense of dark, and deep means गहरी, right? तो जब तुम्हारे पास खूबसूरत आंखें थी and they were dark and deep. Let's continue. How many loved your moments of glad grace? So, my dear students, here are new words. यहाँ पर जो LOVED दिया हुआ है, दैट मीन्स पीपल हैड बीन देयर हु लव्ड हर ब्यूटीफुल फेस. यहाँ पर ये जो LOVED है, इसका मतलब बेटा देयर हैड बीन पीपल, कि वहाँ पर कुछ ऐसे लोग, देयर हैड बीन पीपल दैट टाइम हु लव्ड योर ब्यूटीफुल फेस. और मोमेंट्स का यहाँ पर मतलब है टाइम, यंग टाइम, व्हेन यू वर यंग, जब तुम यंग थे. तो उस समय दैट टाइम देयर हैड बीन मैनी पीपल who must have loved your beautiful face of glad grace. Glad means that seems happy, that seems attractive. Grace जो in the sense of glow. तो तुम्हारे चेहरे पर उस समय जो ग्लो था, जो ग्रेस था, and that seemed very very attractive, very fascinating. So there had been people that time who really loved your beautiful face. कि बहुत से ऐसे पीपल थे उस समय जिन्होंने तुम्हारे खूबसूरत चेहरे को प्यार किया, पसंद करते थे वो. एंड लव्ड योर ब्यूटी विद लव फॉल्स और ट्रू, राइट. not only your face, means they really loved your beauty, whether it was real love or false love. चाहे वो प्यार झूठा हो या सच्चा हो, but they loved. But one man loved the pilgrim soul in you. But apart from such people who loved your beauty, there had been one person also, there had been a man also who loved your inner soul, जिसने तुम्हारे जो इंटरनल ब्यूटी होती है उससे प्यार किया. And loved the sorrows of your changing face. Not only internal means not only your internal beauty, means when the changes took place just with the passage of time, जब तुम्हारे चेहरे की खूबसूरती वो डल होने लगी, खूबसूरती जाने लगी, that was getting decreased. तो वो जो दुख परेशानी तुम्हारे चेहरे पर आती थी because of with the passage of time, right? So that time also he loved the changes, he loved the changes of your face, and that was full of sorrow. बदलते वक्त के साथ जो चेहरे का जो ग्लो था वो डूबता गया, वो ख़त्म होता गया. Even that time also the man loved that sorrow as well, कि मीन्स एक उस व्यक्ति ने उस बदलते चेहरे को वक्त के साथ उतना ही प्यार किया, उन दुखों से भी प्यार किया. Murmur a little sadly, how love fled. So poet कहता है, when you will be sitting in front of fireplace, just think for a while, खुद से बातें करना, just talk to yourself. Being a little sad, थोड़ा सा परेशान होकर सोचना that where your love fled, कि तुम्हारा वो प्यार, वो इंसान कहाँ चला गया. Where has he gone? I hope you understand. Let us move ahead. And paced upon the mountains overhead. Actually, poet says that that man paced upon the mountains means वो कहीं पर्वतों में चला गया. He rushed towards the mountain and hid his face, और अपने चेहरे को उसने छुपा लिया. Amid a crowd of stars, कहीं means like many stars, n number of stars over there, and somewhere in stars he hid his face. So my dear students, here the poem ends. I hope you must have understood the real meaning of this poem, where William Butler Yeats has cleared the difference between spiritual love and physical love. So thank you very much.